Hey YouTube, how's it going? If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Now, we're going to talk about how to attach a bit, different bits. I got one Bozell, 3 different bits. Now, this bridle I use for more trail riding, ranch work, because it's a good, thick, heavy leather. Now, it just has a simple copper snaffle bit. And how do you attach the bit to this? Make sure that your bit is on right. I've seen a lot of people make the mistake of not attaching their bit onto their bridle right, because it's like sometimes upside down, backwards, who knows. So basically what you do is you untie these leather straps, put your bit on. I recommend having a chin strap. Some bits don't need it because they already have a chain or a leather strap on them. And I just have horsehair reins, split reins. They're pretty long. I mean, they get the job done for the most part. I mean, this is even pretty long. And if you're wondering why it's just why there's extra not braided all the way down and there's a knot. It's just kind of gives it weight at the end. I really like this bridle. I use it a lot. Now, this bridle I use for bridle racing with just a snaffle bit with stainless steel and copper rollers. Give something the horse to play with. And just a rawhide and leather chin strap. And I also use this bridle a lot. It has a bull rider with rawhide or cowhide. And it's really easy to get the ponchos off. All you need is a little flathead screwdriver, because that's what it takes. And I just have my barrel reins hooked up to this. And I really love this setup, especially when I'm barrel racing. I mean, I might change the bit out, I don't know. I mean, I have a lot of my barrel horse that I had to really like this bit. Now with this bridle, people say that one-eared headstalls don't have chin straps. This one does. I mean, it's old. I don't really use it a whole lot. But I kind of use it for more of my practicing barrels in. And it just has a long shanked curb bit, which I might change that one out to this roller one. Just simple green nylon reins. And it's, again, you just untie these leather straps, put it on your bed, and you're ready to go. I mean, I never had any chin strap on this one. Now this one's really simple, easy to change out with bits, especially with bits that already have reins. Just has rawhide on the earpiece and side of the bridle. And this one is really, really simple and easy to change out if you need to. You just pull this strap, pull this out, put your bits in, push it back through the little slot, stick your leather strap right in, and your bit's not going to go anywhere. Nice little show headstall. Now, this is what I really like using. Just put on my reins is my Bozell. It did have a brown band, but I took that off. I mean, I guess it's more of the style. I like it better with no brow band. I mean, I guess it's all personal preference, and you just basically wrap. I mean, I got my little lead in my reins. I mean, if you guys want to see how to attach, I mean, I just have cotton reins. I mean, I had a cotton red and white line sitting around, so I might as well, since I can't afford to get horsehair Makati reins, I just use these and they work just fine. I mean, I never had any issues with it or anything. I mean, I had the split reins on that, and it always kept falling off of my horse's noses, so I just swapped them out and they worked just fine. I mean, if you want any other videos, comment below. If you want to see a tack room tour, this is my new tack room instead of a corner in my living room in my apartment. Or just any other vehicles, questions. I mean, I'll try to do my best. This is a horse channel. Please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like button, comment, do all that. I will be gladly appreciate it. You guys have a good day.